ndabashimiye mwebwe mudukurikiye. Iyi ndege bibutse ko ari MD 312 and we are busy reassembling all the accessories around the engine, and then as we just move on, we're gonna just keep you guys posted. I'm busy tightening the bolts loose, and then once all the bolts are fitted, I'm gonna proceed just in stocking the bolts. Yeah, this is the engine which is fitted. It's Snecma engine. It's a 12T engine. It's manufactured by, it was manufactured by Snecma, but it's originally designed by Renault. The year of manufacturing was February 1980. February 1980. That's where this engine was fitted, was manufactured. So which means 20 over, that is okay, 80, 2020 years, 2020, 40 years, 43 years. 43 years since it was manufactured. So it's an old engine, but this engine design went back to 1950s. This was among the first aircraft which were manufactured by Dassault Aviation, Marcel Dassault Aviation. That's why it's called MD. MD stands for Marcel Dassault. 312. You have 311, 300, 315, and so forth. So we finished to install the engine, and now we're busy building up, reassembling all the accessories, the beams, all other things which are required to be fitted, and then we're going to proceed with for the cowlings afterwards. And ndabashimiye mwebwe mudukurikiye. Iyi ndege yitwa Marcel Dassault, ni indege yakozwe mu myaka za 50. Ni imwe mu ndege zasohotse mu ruganda rwa Marcel Dassault. Niyo mpamvu ifite abbreviation ya MD. So bahari bakoze MD 311, 312 na MD 315, hari n'izindi. Kuko Dassault ntabwo yahagarara aho ngo na n'ubu nikora za Mirage, nikora za Jaguar, izo ndege zose tujya twumva. Ni uruganda rukomeye rukora n'indege z'ama VIP ziriya za private jet barazifite. So ni uruganda rwatangiye muri iyo myaka kuko Marcel Dassault ubwe yari umwenjenyeri. So niwe watangije ibinuza uru ruganda rurakomeza obviously. Ni uruganda rero ufite amateka mu byerekeranye na aviation. Iyi moteri dufite ni moteri iri popular kubera ko muri iyo myaka mu myaka ya za 40-50 ni imwe muri moteri zari zigezweho kubera ko iyi moteri mureba hari indege nyinshi zifite. Twavuga nk'urugero indege ya Messerschmitt 109 mu ndege zarwanye mu ntambara ya kabiri y'isi yose, zari indege z'Abadage z'igisirikare cy'Ubudage. Niyo Messerschmitt ni indege yagaragaye izwi yarwanye intambara mu ntambara ya kabiri y'isi yose nubwo zitageze kure cyane, ariko iyi moteri niyo yari ifunzeho. Ikaba ari moteri ya silindire ya V12, ifite silindire 6 ku ruhande rumwe na silindire 6 ku rundi ruhande, noneho zose hamwe zikaba silindire 12 ariko ziri inverted. So impamvu bayicuritse, there is a reason, kubera aerodynamics n'ibiki, kugira ngo engine itajya mu ntuza ida creating icyo bita drag, kubera ko ya obstructing aerodynamics y'intuza y'umuyaga, bityo barayicurika kugira ngo babashe kugira creating lift munsi y'amababa, kuko niyo principle yo kuguruka. Noneho kubera iyo ntuze yo condition yo principle bituma moteri bayishyira munsi ku buryo iri busunike. Urabona propela ahantu iri, umupanga wayo ahantu uri, ni ukuvuga yuko umuyaga igice quantity nyinshi y'umuyaga inyura munsi, kuko nicyo kiba gikenewe. That's what they want to achieve iyo baposition moteri gutya. So iyo bayihagarika ku buryo busanzwe, ntabwo ntekereza ko byarukunda kubera ko icyo gihe ari kubiri hejuru cyane. So bo barayifashe barayicurika kuko it's the same. So igihari rero ni iki, barayicuritse kugira ngo babashe kugira intuza ibashe kuba muri position iri below the wing, munsi y'ibaba gatoya, kugira ngo ibashe gusunika umuyaga. So ngiyo design. Hanyuma hano dufite iyo bita propeller, hanyuma dufite reduction gearbox, hano tugafite n'igipande cya engine, hanyuma tugafite na ntuza na pitch change mechanism ntuza irimo hano electrical activated. Hariho moteri ebyiri, bityo umupilote akabasha guhindura pitch y'umupanga, position y'umupanga, kugira ngo aguruke, cyangwa se igihe moteri ihagaze abashe gushyira icyo mu cyo bita feathering system, umupanga ugire gutya kugira ngo indege ibashe kwavansa. Kuko iramutse moteri ihagaze umupanga ukomeza muri position, ukuvuga ko uslowinga down indege. None icyo bakora ni cyari system iri automatic, noneho umupilote arayactivatinga umupanga ukamera gutya, bityo noneho ukabasha gupasa mu muyaga hatabayemo intuza resistance. So ngibyo ibyo numva nababwira. Reka nze nkomeze mbabwire n'ibindi bikurikiraho ibyo turimo gukora n'iki byose. Ari ndangije aka kazi kuri uruhande, kanze nkaze hano, hanyuma igikurikira turakomeza tuganire, bagezaho nyine tuganira ku byerekeranye n'imirimo irimo gukorerwa hano. So in other words, busy reassembling everything around this engine. And this is a Snecma engine, V12 inverted, and it was originally, as I said, designed by Renault. The Renault, which is a car manufacturer, but also Renault at some stage he was involved in aviation. That's why this engine was designed by them. And then Snecma took over, and then they carry on with the manufacturing of this engine and accessories till the 1980s. So this is the propeller, as I said, which when it turns it just scoop the air and towards the back of the engine underneath the wings. And then this is a pitch change mechanism, which is electrically activated by the pilot. And this is a harness which goes to that controller of the pitch change mechanism. And then this is the individual ejector. These are exhaust ejectors. And in each cylinder has got an ejector each. So we got 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one side, and then the inlet is just on this pipe, you know, which comes from the carburetor through. There's an impeller. There's an impeller inside there, which activate which increase the pressure of the inlet mixture of air and fuel, and then send it under pressure into the cylinder, the individual cylinders. So we got a starting line, which has got a few nozzles. These are few nozzles. So in the beginning, when you plumb the engine and you're about to start, normally the pilot send the fuel into this line and then supply the nozzles, which are 6, and each cylinder has got 1, which is right there in to help the engine to start. And then afterward, this system, the fuel is cut off, and then, you know, the process goes back to the normal as a carburetor system operate. And then that's about it. And your oil cooler is inside here. It doesn't have, it's just it uses ram air, because as the aircraft move forward, the air enter the inlet there, and then the radiator is right there inside there, and these 2 pipes, one is inlet, the other one is outlet. So there's a circulation of the oil into the radiator, just to be able to just to cool the oil. This is in front of the engine. The right inside, you can see all the spark plugs and the cylinders. You can see them nicely. And then the ejectors, exhaust ejectors, they are there, and they are individuals. And then this side is very much the same. We got cylinders which are inverted. This is a ramp for the ignition system. We got the leads, and then the spark plugs, individual spark plugs are there. We got the 6 of them this side, and then the 6, and each cylinder has got 2, which means that there's a position 1 on magneto switch, and then the second position on magneto in case there is a problem. But in a normal flying mode, in normal operation, we got both system activated. But you can isolate. If you need to do troubleshooting, you can isolate one system to troubleshoot another one, to see where there's a problem. So this is your engine, the engine credo. That's the upper thing, and then this is a bipod. We call it bipod because you can see it's 2 legs, and then I call it bipod, which support the engine. This is a starter, the starter motor, which has got one side mechanical, so that when the electrical side of it is failed, you can still start your engine manually. So this is your line, the lubrication line, in and out of the reservoir, because the reservoir is right in the wing. That's where the reservoir sits, and then you got the in and out, inlet and outlet of the engine oil, which goes into the engine. The filtering, the filter system is right there, and the pump is right there. So yeah, you've got the pressure pump, which is inside there in the housing, and then it's driven by the engine, obviously, and then your filter is there just to filtrate the oil. That's all I can explain for now, and then we keep you guys posted. This is a magneto, The both ramps, left and right, number 1, number 2, are fitted on the magneto just to supply the spark to left and right right side row of the spark plugs. So that's about it. This is the handle which I was talking about, and then it's connected on a gearbox of the starter motor. So in case the electrical part of the starter fails, you can still turn this one manually to start the engine. That's all I can say now, and we keep you guys posted as we go along. So ndumva ari ibyo nababwira. Abashimiye mwe mwari mukomeje kudukurikira, mukomeze mubane natwe kandi mukurikira ibiganiro dukora. Abakeneye inama z'ukuntu bajya muri aviation n'ibiki turahari, tubagira inama. Izi ni indege ziri vintage, indege ziguruka ariko muri restricted category kubera ko ni za kera. So but we are there to maintain them so that they can stay flyable, and we encourage the youngsters to just to enroll, to enroll in aviation, because aviation need hands. We need hands, we need the passion, we need determination. Let's have fun, guys, and then if there's any there's any information you require, don't hesitate to call us or to send us an email regarding to what you need to know, and then we'll gladly explain to you and help as much as we can. I thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.